Okay, awesome work, guys. So you should have written what has happened at the beginning of the story. Now we're going to continue reading.
Made her want to do big and important things too. She wanted to make a garden grow. She wanted to make a brook babble. She wanted to make a waterfall fall. And she thought nothing would be more fun than giving some kids a day off from school. One night, Cloudette lay awake wondering what she could do that was big and important. She thought maybe she could work for the fire department. Sorry, we just got a brand new pumper truck. Or maybe they needed some help down at the garden center. Sorry, these plants take tons of water, but nobody seemed to need her. Sorry, it's all done by machines. Cloudette was feeling blue. The next day, there was a big storm in Cloudette's neighborhood. The sky got dark. The rain came down like cats and dogs, and the wind blew harder than she'd ever seen wind blow before.
So we're going to stop right here, and I want you on the next slide, you're going to type and tell me what is the conflict in the story. What is the conflict? And remember, conflict means problem. What is the problem in the story?